naira withdrawal from this platform confirmed and completed. And this is the transaction received from this platform. But before we proceed, if this is your first time coming across this channel, I am CMAX and this is CMAX Concept, where we share with you tips to make money online and grow a profitable online business. So if you have not subscribed, do well to hit the subscribe button upwards and hit this bell icon to get notified whenever I post this video. Make sure you like and comment to every video and I'll review it after. So if you want to get started to the platform, visit the video description below and click on the link to get started. Here you'll be required to input your mobile number. The invitation code is the one of the person that referred you, so you leave it the way it is. You input your password and retype your password. Then you input a verification code. The verification code is this code in this box here. You input it into this box here. So after filling in all the credentials, you click on the sign up button here to get started. When you click on the sign up button, you'll be asked to log in again. So you just input the mobile number and the password which you used in registering if saved to your Gmail. Now this is the home page. So if you want to get their mobile app, just click on this get app and you will download their mobile app. Then if you want to contact their customer care support, you click on support. If you have any issues on the platform, you contact their customer care support. If you want to join their Telegram channel, you click on join us here, the Telegram icon, and you will join their Telegram channel with no much effort. Now if you go to this section written product, you will see all their products in which you can purchase at very cheap rates. Now these are their products with different prices and different daily incomes. Here you need to invest 2,000 naira and you'll be earning 700 daily, and the total income after 40 days will be 28,000. Here you need to invest 5,000 naira and you'll be earning 1,007 daily, and the total income after 40 days will be 68,000. So that is the way it is among other products here. So just choose the one of your choice, but I advise that your range should be between the 2,000 naira own and the 50,000 naira own. Don't hop into a large amount of money. If you click on others over here, you will see the product you have purchased. So as for me, I have no active purchase order, so that's why it's empty, but I will show you that towards the ending of this video. Now if you go to this team section, you are going to see more way of earning money by inviting your friends. For you to invite your friends, this is your invitation code. So you just click on copy here and your invitation and your referral link will be copied. So as you can see here, for your team level 1, according to the home page, you will get 30% on inviting any of your friends, which means 30% of anything your friend deposit you will be sent to your account immediately, and the offer is ending after 8 days. So do well to invite your friends to earn more from this platform that is paying massively. Going over to this profile section, as you can see here, I'm currently having 300 naira as my balance, which is the registration bonus given to you once you sign up to this platform. This section here is all the transaction history made in this platform. Why this section is for you to log out if you want to log out from your account from this. This section is for you to edit your password if maybe you are not comfortable with your current password, so you can change your password in this section here. This side is to edit your bank details for you to put your withdrawal account and other necessary things. So we go over to that section there. This section is for your withdrawal history, all the withdrawals made. It will be showed here, your transaction details. While this side is for your deposit history. Any deposit you make, it will be showed in this section. For you to begin earning in this platform, you have to click on the recharge button here to get started. As you can see, the minimum deposit you can make in this platform is 2,000 naira, seconded by 5,000 naira. So you choose on the amount you want to deposit and click on it. As for me, I'm going for the 10,000 naira package, so I'm going to make a deposit of 10,000. So you click on recharge. Do well to read all the rules made here and also make your research before you can put your money into this platform. As for me, I've made all my research and I found out that the platform is legit. A pop-up will appear here showing you that after payment is successful, you should click on I've made this bank transfer and submit your sender's name and sender ID. So just click on OK to remove this pop-up. So this is the account number given to you. So you copy the account number here and make sure you deposit this exact amount here. Don't deposit less than or greater than, if not you have a loss of funds. Note the bank given money point and note the name. Don't send money to this account more than once. So for you to go and deposit the money, you copy the account number and you see a copy successfully here. Then you go to your bank and make the transfer. Note that you have a limited time to complete this transfer within 10 minutes. Now I'm done with the transfer, so I'll click on I have made this bank transfer in order for my transfer to be confirmed. Now I've submitted my sender's first name and my sender's last name, and now I'll go over to this section to submit my session ID. Now I've inputted my session ID in the box, so now I'll click on submit session ID here. So after submitting the session ID, your payment will be confirmed successfully. So you just go over to the home page now and refresh your dashboard for you to receive your money. Now I've refreshed my dashboard and the money has reflected in my dashboard. So now I'll click on the 10,000 naira package here for me to get started. Purchase and purchase the product. And now after purchasing the product, you'll be taken to your orders, which is here showing you the products that are working and that are generating income for you. Now that will be all for now, and I believe this has been a wonderful opportunity for you to make money online. So if you haven't subscribed, do well to hit the subscribe button and hit the drop down bell icon to get notified whenever I drop a video, and like the videos and comments so that I will review it after the comment has been made. I'll be signing out for now, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you as I see you at the top of the world.